weche manyien mag kagi kacha nyinga Simfroz Okinda. Duol makedo kod mibadhi EACC okoni Lwenj kedo kod mibadhi dwaro nyaka nywak lwedo kendo bura mondo rang chike mabiro tego keto e tim okenge mokaw kod EACC. Ka igolo report mari komenda mar 2023 kotele kod jakom mar EACC David Oginde kod jatatije mar EACC Twalib Mbarak. Jotelogo seyo migawo mar ofwamb kich mano DCI kod bad migawo mar doho mawayo thuolo achije to moko yudo barupe mageng'o makogi to moko iweyo kod rambon. Ka DCI bende iseyo kuom rem seko kata timo nonro motegno.
When we send cases of petty corruption that have been investigated, when I'm talking of petty corruption here, maybe a policeman has taken a bribe of 2,000, or a chief has taken a bribe of 1,000. When you take these cases to the DPP will reverse and tell you, because of backlog, this is a small case. Can you handle it administratively? When you take it to the police will tell you, we have nowhere in our laws which tells you when a policeman takes 2,000 shillings, he is dealt with administratively, and we cannot sack him unless he has been prosecuted. So you can see with some of these things we are moving in circles and need to be brainstormed and rectified.
Individuals that are under investigation, they go to court, they seek orders, and they go back into office. And sometimes they interfere with witnesses, they interfere with evidence that would have been collected. Offices and so evidence may be found being burnt down.